Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have everything ready, 2 8-inch layers and a batch of buttercream. First, level both cakes using a sharp serrated knife. This creates a flat surface for even stacking. Once done, place the first layer on a cake board or turntable and apply 1/2 of buttercream as your filling, spread inward to outward. Make sure to press lightly so filling reaches edges but doesn't overflow. Chill the assembled double layer for 10-15 minutes to firm the filling before crumb coating. Now focus on control. Apply a thin crumb coat, about 2-3 mm, and smooth it with an angled spatula. Once done, chill the cake 15 minutes so crumbs set. Next, add the final 3-4 mm buttercream layer, pressing gently as you go to remove air pockets. While rotating the turntable, hold a bench scraper steady at a 16:9 angle. This creates an even edge. Finally, warm your spatula under hot water, dry it, and glide it for razor-smooth top finishing. Finish with confident details. Fill a piping bag with medium-stiff buttercream and create a simple border. Place one fondant heart or a cluster of berries at center for that Valentine's pop. Once decorated, keep the cake under 22 degrees C and chill before transport to lock the shape. If anything goes wrong, like frosting splitting, use a warm, dry spatula to gently reblend the surface, or apply a thin sugar syrup to smooth seams. Serve at room temp for best flavor. Enjoy the result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.